Hello there. In this video, we are going to go over how to register yourself online. If you are eligible for English 101, then you are able to register online. I will be your example student for today, so of course my setup may look a little different than yours. Logging in from your My Hudson student portal, we are going to click where it says Liberty Link for Students, then click My Academic Planning, then click Student Academic Planning. Next, we are going to click where it says View Your Progress. On the My Progress page, we can see a full list of program requirements. I can see my overall GPA, my major, description of my major, and even my progress bars. Scrolling down, I can see a list of general education requirements, and further down, I can see the major requirements. Going through the list, there are classes that say not started that are in red. These are the ones that I'll be choosing from. Classes that I've completed will have a green check mark and say completed under the status. To begin, I will be clicking on the course code for Principles of Sociology. This will lead me to more information about the course. I can see the description and whether or not the class needs any prerequisites. Next, I will click where it says Add Course to Plan. This will open up a new window where I'm going to select the semester I'm registering for and then click Add Course to Plan again. Doing this does not register me. It is more like when I'm shopping online and I'm putting items in my shopping cart. We will still need to pick a class time in order to register. To do this, we're going to go back to My Progress, click on Student Planning on the top, then click Plan and Schedule. Here is where I can see a calendar view of the section times and how they will interact with each other. As you can see, I already planned another class. So we're going to pick a time for Principles of Sociology. So we're going to look for it on the left and click View Other Sections. Now we can see all the sections for this class, but I want to narrow my choices down. To do this, I will click where it says Filter Sections. Under Availability, click Open. Location, click Journal Square. And I can see that there's some choices, but I want to narrow it down by day of the week. So under Day of the Week, I'll click Monday. So this narrowed down my choices to classes that fit my personal schedule. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on the class that works for me. Doing this will open up a new window, which I'll have more class information. Then I click Add Section. This is a good way to narrow down your choices based on your availability. You can filter out things like day of the week, which campus you want to attend, or even if classes are available online. So let's say, for example, I want to take my History of Western Civilizations class online rather than in person. I would start by clicking View Other Sections under the class. Then under Location, I am going to click where it says Online. So I won't be able to see the class in the calendar view, just like the other section times, but I can still see them here on the left. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it. Then look at the class information, especially the start and end dates. Then click Add Section. Now the class is planned and you can see it on the bottom of the calendar as a bar. So now that my schedule is set, the last thing I need to do is actually register. You can register for classes one at a time on the left side, or you could just click the Register Now button on the top right corner. This button will register everything at once, and the classes will turn from yellow to green, confirming that I'm enrolled for the future semester. On the left side, you can see that there is a green check mark that says Register but not started. So that concludes our video on how to register online. If you need any further assistance, you can reach out to the Advisement and Transfer Office via your student email, or you can reach out to the advisor that is assigned to your major. Thank you for watching.